Hi guys, I'm Harvey and I'm here at Twisted's new studios at Market Halls in the heart of London, and they're going to be putting a spin on my favourite hangover foods, which is Chinese and noodles. My worst hangover ever was when I turned 18. It was my first ever night out. I went to the W Hotel in Leicester Square and I'd never had Sambuca before, and I haven't had it since that night, and I found it quite easy to drink, and then after like 4 or 5 I was so gone, it was ridiculous, and I never drink it like I said. So I remember finding my way into the taxi with my brother. My brother was really drunk as well, and my friend was in the car as well, and he wasn't as drunk. So I started throwing up in this black cab everywhere. My brother started weeing in the cab, so then my friend started playing a YouTube video, and he started playing one of my music videos as loud as he could to try and mask the fact that I was being sick and my brother was weeing, and was trying to show the cab driver a music video of mine. And I can remember hearing one of my songs whilst I was being sick and looking over and seeing my brother and his stuff out, just weeing. Made it home, woke up, and I've never felt that bad ever in my life. And that was the last time that I got that drunk. Perfect hangover day. My mum was there in the morning and she gave me lots of glass of water. And I sat in the same spot pretty much the whole morning. And it's weird, when I drink, I get up really early in the morning and I never get a good sleep. I don't know about anyone else, but when I've had something to drink, I can't go into a deep sleep. And I just slumped in the same position the whole day. And I think I watched CSI. You know, like you get the CSI Miami, CSI like New York, just like all those, just watching the whole day. And then I think at the end, I think of that, we had Chinese food actually. Anything super salty and fatty, like it just tastes the best. When I know I'm gonna be drinking, it sounds so weird, but I heard this thing online once and I've stuck by it. Once you've had like a big night out, before you go to bed, you should eat bananas. So I eat 2 bananas before I go to bed, because I heard that it makes you feel less sick in the morning. I feel like it must work, because when I wake up in the morning, I feel fine. If I could have anyone at a dinner party, dead or alive, I'd have John Legend playing the piano and singing for like entertainment. He can sit there and sing and be all cool. I'd want someone controversial at the table. So I'd have Piers Morgan. I'd have like a former president. I'd have Obama, just because I'd like to know like the secrets of America, and I bet he knows a lot. And then I'd have Ariana Grande. She could be my date. So my other love, apart from Chinese, is Nando's. For people that don't know what it is or haven't had the blessing and tried it, it's almost like having healthy food, but it's not. It's Portuguese chicken, but didn't it originate from like South Africa, I think? It's just chicken, really. I don't know how to describe it. What else is it? It's like chicken and chips, really, but in like a nice way, in like a flavoursome way. So I haven't had the chance to get myself a Nando's black card just yet. I would like one, so if anyone from Nando's would like to give me one, that would be greatly appreciated. I will write a song about it as well. I know Ed Sheeran did it. I will do it. Might not be as good, but yeah, I'd appreciate it a lot. So I'll have a black card, please. When I order my Nando's, the flavour I get, Peri Peri, which actually isn't on the menu. So they have all the normal spices, and then there's Peri Peri. You have to ask for it. I could say it's almost like a secret sauce. I love my mum, bless her. She's not the best cook in the world. So we'd have a lot of like easy meals, but we'd always get Chinese takeaway, which is really bad to say, but that was like our go-to thing every weekend. I'm like addicted to Chinese food, and I reckon I have it at least 3 times a week, genuinely. My favorite restaurant is Zian's, which is in Orpington. And it's a really small kind of like Chinese shop. It's always busy though, always busy, and we know the owner as well. And I've been going there since I was a kid. And every time we leave, he gives us a box of Smarties, and he still does it. I think he still thinks we're like 12. And it is the most unreal Chinese you'll ever have in your life. It's so good. And there's this thing called Tam Pao beef. It is the best thing. I get that when I have takeaways. I get like the big box of seaweed. Do you know crispy seaweed? The salty, I have it all to myself. One thing I do hate, right, and my mum does this a lot, when you've had Chinese takeaway, you put it in the fridge and you eat it cold the next morning. Disgusting, disgusting. Hate you, I hate you. Like, I've never got it. Like, I don't know why people do that when it's cold. I don't know how you can enjoy it. That, like, my mum sits there and she's devouring it in the morning. I can't even think about eating something in the morning, let alone cold Chinese food. Can I open my eyes now? Is it in front of me? Can I smell it? Oh, what's that? Oh, I was gonna say, is that Peronaise? Yeah. And this is one big spring roll? Oh, you've absolutely killed this. I think it's, let's try it. For Peronaise. Oh, that's good. Oh, it's spicy. Oh. So I just like.
I mean, I've got a knife and fork, or you just.
No, let's just dip it in, man.
Dip it.
All right, I'm just gonna go for it then. I'm nervous. Oh. Right, it's unreal. So there's chicken in it, definitely chicken. It's a bit spicy, got rice in it. That is actually really good. I'm not even just lying. I just carry on eating it. Oh, 10 out of 10. Like a winner. I'm gonna go get my brother because I wanted to try it because he loves this kind of food as well. Nah, it's good, just try. Pop a nom it, go on. Yeah. There's some things in it.
Spicy rice. Peri chicken.
Yeah.
Spring roll.
Hey. Well done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to Twisted for making their version of my favorite hangover food. It was unreal. Hopefully you guys will make me some more food again. But for now, I'm gonna eat this and see you guys later. Have you guys had Peri Tamar? You're f***ing lying. You don't know Peri Tamar fries? On the level. Seriously, please everyone try Peri Tamar. I get proper passionate about this stuff, man, seriously.